If you need to cancel your Postmates subscription, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Open the Postmates app. Launch the Postmates app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your subscription settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on the profile icon or the account tab, usually located in the bottom right corner of the app. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your subscriptions. Step 3. Find subscription information. Look for the membership or subscription option within the account settings. This section will provide details about your current subscription plan. Step 4. Select Cancel Subscription. Once you are in the subscription section, find the option to cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts provided to confirm your cancellation request. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After submitting your cancellation, you should receive a confirmation message or email indicating that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. Make sure to check for this confirmation to ensure that the process is complete. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Postmates subscription. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Postmates customer support for assistance.